common alarm will be comms kit error, comms kit. This means that the indoor unit is not seeing the outdoor unit. Check that the power has not been turned off on the outdoor unit and restart by simply pressing the left button once into information, press the right button. There you will see up at the top the standby symbol. Press the right button to access that. And now we need to confirm that we want to put it in standby. Press the left at the minus button to go down and press the right button to access. Here we'll see the unit now is in standby. We can now check that the outdoor is powered on and restart the unit.